What's going on, you guys? Thank you for joining me on another YouTube video. So I'm gonna make this video short and quick. So what we're doing today in this video is removing old tire dressing because if you guys clicked on this video, you guys know that old tire dressing is very difficult to remove. So this is a maintenance client I see every 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, as you can see right here, let me show you guys a close-up. So as you guys could see, it is super caked up on there. So you scrub and it's really hard to get off. So you don't want to be scrubbing here for a very long time because we got to be quick and efficient because we do run a business. So you guys can see it's all caked up on there. So what I have here, a lot of people use this. It works great. Tar and sap remover. Go ahead, give this a go if you guys have this in your inventory. But I really recommend this little container right here. It's called Mineral Spirits. You could get this at your local Home Depot or Lowe's. I got mine from Home Depot. Great product. So we're gonna put this to the test, or not to the test, but I'm gonna show you guys the results as I already put it to the test and it works great. So here's the last little look. Now let me go ahead, set up the camera, and I'll show you guys what it does and how easy. Ignore the bucket, it's in the frame. So what you do is you get the product, you get a dirty microfiber cloth, as you will be throwing this out because it will leave a lot of tire dressing oils and residue on the towel. So you'll see this is how it looks right now. You will see how effective it is. So what you want to do is apply little to no pressure and just drag it across. And then you guys would see, I want to get in the lettering real good, so I'm scrubbing extra right there. So that's how it looks right now. And then you would see, if you get a little closer up, this is where I hit it and this is where I didn't. Super oily right here, super clean. Nice little, you could notice the difference. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Give you guys some little information on how to remove this, as I was struggling a bit. So this is a quick little video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead, grab this if you guys, and it's like very affordable. It's like $5, I think. If not, there's also this as well. Works just as well, but I really like that product. So go ahead, try both. Let me know in the comment section if you guys got any other ways of removing tire dressing, as it is time consuming a little bit, but this makes it a lot easier, as beforehand I was just using degreaser and a microfiber towel, and you do not want to do that. It takes a lot of time and a lot of effort, a lot of scrubbing, a lot of energy, so a lot of downsides to that. So these two products right here is what you guys would want. So go ahead, give it a go. But yeah, great products overall. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys learned something. Peace.